Hey Scorbs, welcome back to Doob's Booze Review. Alright. Welcome back to another episode of Doob's Booze Reviews. This week we're looking at Dom Benedictine. Benedictine is a French liqueur that uses 27 different herbs from around the world. This elixir is still made with the original copper pot stills. So they start by making 4 individual recipes. Each one goes through a different process. After aging in barrels for 8 months, they then are blended with honey and saffron and then age it for another 4 months. And that is how we get Dom Benedictine. Let's give it a try. See what the proof is on the back. Oh, so it's got like a little zing on your nose as you're taking a whiff, but that is also because it's at 40%. So this is a fairly strong liqueur. It's a little sweet. You definitely get the honey. I'd say you get more of the feeling of the saffron rather than the taste. Maybe a touch of green tea and maybe even chili pepper. The way it burns just the tip of your nose. It's different than the way that a lot of different alcohols burn your nose. A lot of different alcohols, they burn like in your nose, and this one's just on the tip. It's definitely sweeter than like an Amaro or something, but I wouldn't say it's as sweet as, as a schnapps, but it is sweet. I'm getting notes of green tea and nettles. A little bit similar to green chartreuse, which I do have a review right up there. You can go check that out. It's sweeter than green chartreuse though. It definitely has a burn to it, but like the nose, it doesn't burn deep in your throat. It burns right on the top of your mouth. It's quite good. The honey's nice. It's very thick. Cocktails that you'll see Dom Benedictine in are an Irish Old Fashioned, a Vauquerie, and a Widow's Kiss. A good price point for Dom Benedictine. If you could get a bottle for under $40, you're looking at a really good deal for it. I would definitely pick it up if you want to up your cocktail game and really play around with some interesting flavors. This one has a lot to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, share this video around, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! On Doob's Booze Reviews.